Hi friends, this is my mini project which was given by our Nxtwave, and it is a clone website for Swiggy and Zomato. And here we are seeing this is the login page of my website. In this login out page, I implemented some features like show password or hide password and some login error messages. If you entered any non password or if any unauthorized person try to login a website, it shows the related error messages. Okay, now I want to show that features. Here I gave already my username and password in placeholders, but as easy to easily know my username and password. See, initially the password is in a hide position. When you click this check box button, the password is showing. Now I was entered the wrong password. So when you click the login button, see it is showed username and password did not match. Okay. Now I want to uh, change the password, and I am unclick the chat box button. See, the password is in the hide position now. When I click the login button, it goes to my home page, home route page, and this is the navbar, and this is the carousel which is showing some of best offers, and these are the restaurant details, and this is called page nation. You can move left side and right side by clicking the buttons, and this is the footer, something related to the website page. See, most of the people, when you are choosing the restaurant based on rating only, when they choose the restaurant. So I implemented that feature also. Here, if you click the if you select the highest option, then the rating will change. That means highest rating will show on the top and the lowest rating will show on the bottom. Okay, for every page it will change automatically. You didn't do for every page. You didn't select it for every page. It will automatically changes. Okay. Again, if you select the lowest rating option, then it will change automatically. Lowest rating will show the top, and the bottom highest rating will show. Okay. And if you want to go to the particular restaurant, if you click that restaurant um, name, then we will go to the particular restaurant, and this is the restaurant details where it was location and average rating like this. Okay. Based on the ID, the restaurant details will change. Here you can see the particular restaurant ID. So this ID will change for every restaurant. Okay, and these are the food items available for that particular restaurant. If you click the add button, you can see the quantity. Here you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity by clicking the plus and minus buttons. Okay, when you click the add button, immediately the top badge will change. Here you can see the number one. Okay, in the same way, if you select another food item, the number will be changed correspondingly. Okay, and I am adding one more food item. See, total three food items you are added, and it is showing number three. Okay, in this way you can go back to the restaurant, and you can select your restaurant, and you can select the food items. Now we want to go to the start road page. See, here you can see the food list. Okay, and item and quantity and price. Here also you can increase or decrease the price based on quantity. Increasing the price also will change in, and total amount also will change it. So if you are interested to place order, just click the place order button. See, here you can see the uh, page that thank you for ordering. Your payment is successfully completed. In this way, you can order your food items. If you want to go back to the home page, just click the go to home page button. You can come back to your home page. Okay, and if you want to log out to your website, just want to click the log out button. Okay, if any unfound URL or bad part URL you entered, it will show the page not found. Okay. Then if you click the home page, it will go to the login route page only because you didn't log in the website. Okay. Now we want to show the. Now I want to see how the code was implemented. I am going to my code page. See, these are the components I have used: carousel, cart items, and header, home, login form, and restaurant banner, restaurant details, and app component. These are the components I am used. In the app.js file, we are importing all the components files and route functionality, redirect functionality, and and start and test protect route functionality. All the components we are importing. Okay, here I build a route functionality to go to particular restaurant, particular route page. Here it mentions slash login means it go to the login page, and only slash means it goes to the home component. And see here restaurant and ID. Based on the ID, the restaurant details will be available. And start page for start page I mentioned slash start. If any bad part will enter, it goes to the not found page. Okay, and this is my coding implementation. Now I want to see the login page. See this here I imported some proteins functionalities also, and redirect functionality also I imported. Initially the username and password will be empty, and here I implemented the show ID password. Okay, see, initially I want to go to the notice how it will work. Go to application. Here notice here our website. Initially there is only one name we are seeing. In your login website, some database total will create, and it has a expiry date also. You can do expiry date and year all the things you can do for database total. See now I want to log into my website. See, some items are added, and you can see the JWT token, and you can also observe the expiry date. Here I have mentioned expiry 30, so it will show for 30 days expiry. And when you close the JWT token, and when you refresh your web page, simply is go to login page. But because without the database token, we want to log into a website. Okay, so out in this way, you can implement the database token and view expiry date. So here I have mentioned a replace button also. When you click login page, it will go to home page. So I have given replace ash button, ash symbol. Okay, in the same way, you can see the home page. Here I am home page. Um, here also I import properties and redirect functionalities. And here I imported some third-party packages also, and from React icons also I implemented. I imported some icons. You can observe. See here Pinterest and Instagram, Twitter. These all are symbols I imported from React and React icons page. Okay, and for carousel, you can see the third-party package like slider. I imported the slider from React. Okay, and see here the carousel part we total is there. Here I mentioned DOS, so you can see the DOS here. See here the DOS. I mentioned true, so it is visible. And here I mentioned speed and slide to show only once after one it was you can observe autoplay and autoplay speed. This is the carousel coding, and here the slider implementation. Okay, and popular restaurant details, and then, here also I imported some React items functions. Okay, and from this URL where only I am fetching the data, and by using promissory objects, the response is in starting at await function. After that, the data will come, and here initially the backend it is in snake trace, but in front end we want to use in camel trace. Okay, I want to show by inspecting here this one also. So this is by going to network. Here you can see login. See status 200 has been successfully, and you can see the password and username. Okay, and here is database total. You can see that's database total was created, and these are the thousand images. And by one, and this particular URL I was using my front end. By using this URL, I fetched data from this URL, and by using promissory object and await functionality, I get the data from the backend. Okay, and these are the restaurants details. You can see this is the URL I have implement. I have taken. See, these are the total 30 restaurants I have placed, and these are the names. See here it is in snake case, but in front end we want to use the camel case notations. Okay, and these are the restaurant details, and these are the rating functionality and color. In this way, I fetched the data by taking the URL, and by using promissory update and await functions, the data is time. Okay, by mapping all the data, and I was using my front end, and I was due the styling for that. Okay, you can see my styling also. Both front end and both mobile device and desktop I was implemented. Now I want to see my mobile division also how it is user friendly. See, I am just clicking log out. This is my login page. Okay, see how it was very nice. Here also I implemented same show password and error message. I am now I want to log in. Same is show password, and I click show password. If the password is visible, and I click the password is invisible, and I am going to log in mobile version. See, it is a user friendly website, friends. Here also I do page nation and sort by options highest and lowest. Same, you can click the particular restaurant. You can go to the restaurant page, and here also restaurant details and food items. Same, what we observe in desktop version, same functionality I am implemented in mobile version also. See, you can see the total order place. Here you can increase and decrease, and place order means payment. The order was successfully placed. Okay, in this way I implemented my web page. Uh, I hope you are all like my website, and thank you, friends.